to Freestyle Moda. How are you guys doing? I've missed you all. Happy New Year 2018. I hope this new year brings you lots of blessings, health, prosperity, happiness, all good things. So today I wanted to come back by giving you guys a makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do this one for a while now. It's basically a vampy look. I've always loved black lipstick, but I have a bit of a hard time styling it, but I finally came up with this look and I figured that you guys would like to see it. To all my new subscribers, welcome. I really appreciate you guys and I hope you guys enjoy this channel. And one quick announcement as well before I go. I started a new channel and this is a vlogging channel where I post daily vlogs. So if you would like to see what's behind all the glitz and glams, all this makeup, my real life, then make sure you go ahead and follow me on Freestyle Vlogs. I'll put the information right here. But before we go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so that you can get notifications about my upcoming videos, and make sure you click on the notifications button as well. So if you would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, make sure you keep on watching. To start things off, I moisturize my lips and prime my face with this Too Faced primer. And then I added my favorite foundation at the moment, which is the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced as well. And this time I decided to use the stippling brush and use the stippling method to have a more natural look. For concealer, I used my trusty tan concealer by Wet n Wild and I applied it under my eyes to highlight that area. And with a wet sponge, I blended it all in. I set my face with this cocoa powder by Too Faced, making sure to avoid my under eyes. And that was mainly because I used this Airspun loose powder under my eyes as a highlighter instead. Because I forgot to highlight my nose and my forehead earlier, I'm doing it here. And as you can see, it's okay to do it at a later time. And today, I also decided to prime my eyes with this concealer, making sure to blend it all in with a damp sponge. I then grabbed my big fluffy brush to dust off all the excess loose powder. As the base color, I used this pigmented matte shadow from the Jaclyn palette. I started by patting it in to avoid any fallout, and later on I proceeded to do the windshield motion to spread it out nicely. And once one side was done, I simply repeated the same steps on the other side. So to soften out the look, I use my fluffy brush to blend it all in. I then use that same fluffy brush to apply Jazz as a transition color. To enhance my inner eye corners, I grabbed a smaller brush and apply Hunts as a highlight color. And to smoke out the look, I added this darker shade called Shit as a outer corner shadow. For the sake of time, I did my eyebrows off camera, and then I proceeded to add this soft shadow under my brows to highlight it as well. I did my regular eyeliner off camera as well, along with some fake pulses. And of course, I could not forget to add my mascara to both the top lashes and the bottom lashes. I then use Ship as a liner for my eyes because it is less harsh and gives me a softer look. To make my eyes pop a bit more, I use these two other shadows from the Jaclyn palette to enhance my eyes and make them look a bit more wreathed, making sure to apply this one with my fingers to warm up the color. As well as this gel liner to make my waterline stand out. I brought back the colors to my face with this Ulta bronzer. And then I proceeded to contour with a darker shade of the Countour Kit. Then I highlighted my cheekbones, making sure to press the highlight rather than flush it. Because I do not own a black lip liner, I use this creamy eyeliner instead, and it worked out perfectly, as you guys can see. Here's the star of the show, the Blackout Lipstick by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love this lipstick because it makes my lips so moisturized. After I was done, I cleaned out the edges and made sure to set it all in with my face powder. And of course, I could not forget to set my face with a quick brush. And there you have it, Fashionistas, a sexy and sultry look, perfect for a date night or a girls' night out. If you enjoyed this video and would like to support my channel, help me reach 1,000 subscribers by subscribing to it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.